Hey, my name is Dakota Crawford, and this game is called Fitness Bowling, and it is for grades 6th through 9th. The equipment needed for fitness bowling is bowling pins, jump ropes, gator balls, and poly spots. To set up the game, the gym will be set up with several different bowling lanes, or alleys. At the end of each bowling lane, there will be 2 or 3, depending on how many you would like to use, bowling pins, or each lane will be set up and will have around 4 students at each lane, as you can see in this picture. There are 4 students per lane. This is the lead-up game to bowling. It also incorporates some running and some math skills. Each lane should be about the same length. They should be the same length. And about midway down each lane, you'll have a poly spot. This is the poly spot right here. And what the students will do is the student in line will run up, roll the ball. The student down here is called the ball retriever. And so what his or her job is to do is, once the student that is rolling the ball rolls the ball, they grab the ball and they take it back around and give it to the next person in line. The student who just rolled the ball will then go down and set the pins back up and then become the ball retriever, and the next person in line will run. This is a pretty fast-paced game. The students are constantly running, staying involved, so they're having to do their math, adding up their points, and they're having to do it very quickly because, like I said, it's fast-paced. You want to keep it going. Scoring in this game: if you knock down all of the bowling pins, just say if you knock down all 3 in the picture, that is called a strike, and it is worth 3 points. If you knock down only 2 of the bowling pins, that is a spare, and it is 2 points, or that's what we're going to call it in this game. And if they knock down one bowling pin, it is worth 1 point. In this game, we are working on our underhand roll to a target. We are also getting into exercise, and we're also working on some basic math skills like adding. There are several different ways that you could modify this game. If it seems too easy, you can move the students farther away from the target. If it seems too hard, you can move them in closer. You can always use different equipment. And you could also make like paper arrows to lay down on the floor so the students know the directions that they should be running. These are my sources. And thank you for watching. I hope you enjoy the game.